Hey, have you ever heard of a chaffle? Huh? A chaffle. It's like a cheese waffle, but it doesn't taste really cheesy, nor does it taste eggy, which is one of the main ingredients in it. Let me show you how to make it. If you're eating low carb, keto, diabetic, this right here is a lifesaver. You really have to cut out your white bread and carbs whenever you're watching what you eat. This is a perfect bread substitute, and in all honesty, I use it a lot. So far, this is my favorite chaffle. It's just a basic chaffle, okay? I have a bowl, I have an egg. Just going to crack my egg. Get my eggshells out, guys. It wouldn't be me if there wasn't a blooper. No matter how hard I try, I blooper every video. That's why I've got a big playlist of bloopers. Okay. Just going to beat this up. Okay, that's beat up pretty good. My chaffle iron, which is just a little mini dash, little mini personal waffle maker, is heating up while we're doing this. Okay. I have Carb Quit. 90% fewer carbs, and 1/3 of this, guys, 1/3 cup only has 2 net carbs. So for 1 tablespoon, I haven't done the math, but I'm going to call it 0. Okay, just a tablespoon. Close that back up. And there's only one more ingredient in this, and it's mozzarella cheese. Okay. 1 tablespoon. That one's a little more. 2 tablespoons. And that's all there is to it. Just going to mix this together. By the way, it's annoying. Listen to me. Do not be tempted to put every bit of this in at one time, because if you do, it's going to go everywhere. If you notice, I have a plate underneath this. I do that for a reason, because it overflows if you put too much in there. Okay, this is a 1/4 cup, and I use a little bit less than a 1/4 cup per chaffle. And this mixture right here, folks, will make 2. So a little less than a 1/4 cup. Put it in there and just close it. It's going to spread out, and it's going to rise up, and it's going to look, in all honesty, like an Eggo waffle. Just saying. Okay, this needs to cook for about 4 minutes. Here in just a few minutes, as it starts to cook, steam is going to start coming out of the sides of it, and you want to cook it until the steam stops. As you can see, there's no steam coming out of the little waffle maker, so I'm going to lift it up. Looks a lot different from what it did when it first went in, huh? It's just like a little waffle. It's done. So what I normally do is I let it sit and cool for a few minutes. Now you can do so many things with it. You can put butter on it and eat it like toast. You can put like bacon, egg, and cheese on it and have it like a sandwich. And something that I did a couple of days ago that is actually really good, and I'm going to do a video on it, is make a pizza out of it. So the possibilities are endless. All you need is an egg, a little bit of Carb Quit, and mozzarella cheese. And it's fantastic. You got to try it if you're trying to watch your carbs. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on that next video.